How to tell if you genuinely like someone. It might be challenging to distinguish between like someone and liking the thought of being with them at times. The first step to finding a fantastic partner is being honest with yourself about how you feel about people and how you feel when you're with them. 1. Check to see whether you feel happy after a date with them. Spending time with someone alone is one of the finest methods to determine if you like them. It's very obvious that you like someone if the talk flows easily, they make you laugh, and you feel content and happy after the date. 2. Determining whether you are ecstatic when they call or text you. It's a fantastic indication that you're really into someone if you answer your phone right away when they text you and never let their calls go to voicemail. You should want to send them a message no matter how busy your day is to let them know you're thinking about them. 3. Recognize recollections of them when you come upon them. It's a strong indication that you truly like someone if you frequently come across things that make you think of them. Pay attention to how often you mention things to them and how often you mention things to your friends and family throughout the day. 4. See if you still miss them by spending time with others. You can spend time with individuals you like and have fun with by going out with your friends or spending time with your family. It's a fantastic indication that you really appreciate someone if you find yourself wishing they were there or wanting to text them to update them on the day. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.